Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make this simple scarf for beginners made with chains, double crochet stitches and the weaving technique. This scarf is part of my special series of free crochet patterns dedicated to and inspired by people with the same rare condition as I have. This scarf is dedicated to 2-year-old Hailey, who I got to meet in New York 1 month ago. You can find the free written pattern on my website. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this pattern I've used scarfy yarn and crochet hook size 6mm. For a kid size you will need 1 ball of scarfy yarn, and for adult size you will need 2 balls. Okay, let's start. For a kid size you will chain 24 and adult size chain 28. In row 1, work 1 double crochet stitch in the 6th chain from the hook. Then repeat the following till the end. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and work a double crochet stitch in the next chain. For a kid size you now have 10 chain spaces and an adult size 12 chain spaces. In row 2 we will chain 4, this counts as your first double crochet stitch and a chain, and repeat the following till the end. Work 1 double crochet stitch in the next double crochet and chain 1. We will repeat the following till the end. 1 double crochet stitch in the next double crochet and chain 1. We will end with a double crochet stitch in the last stitch, which is the 3rd chain from the previous row. At the end we turn our work. For a kid size you will need to repeat row 2 until row 195 or until it measures 60 inch. For an adult size you will repeat row 2 until row 260 or until it measures 80 inches. For each row we are going to cut 3 strands, which are 40 inches longer than the scarf. So for the kid size you will need strands which are 100 inches, and for the adult size you will need strands which are 120 inches long. Hold them together and use a big needle to weave through all the chain spaces. Start in the first chain space and go over the next chain space and under the next. Repeat going over and under the chain spaces till the end. And when you're done, stretch the fabric back out to make the strands sit nice and flat. Repeat weaving 3 strands through the next 9 or 11 rows and make sure to start each row in the opposite chain space to create that beautiful effect. All you need to do now is turn your loose ends into fringes by simply making a knot. I will quickly show you how I made the knots. Trim the bottom to make all the strands perfectly even, and that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!